Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Stack Insider, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how you can earn money by sharing your data bundle. Okay, now somebody is saying that how much or how many is my data bundle that I have to share to get money. Yes, listen to this. Once you work online, you do research, you watch TikTok, you do all these things on your phone, you are wasting your data bundle. Okay, that's there. Now log in this particular application. Okay, instead of it just using your bundle to watch videos, you can just turn this application on. What this application does is that it fits on your data. I'm not talking about your phone data, no, it uses on like your internet. Okay, so it uses your internet to run some background mining calculations. Okay, now let me explain this to you. Do you know how Bitcoin mining works? Yes. So if you can remember, there was a time that there was this app that you have to be tapping your phones and other stuffs and pop something. No, yeah, all those applications were used to do calculations at the background, but you thought you were just tapping. No, they were used to do calculations. So before you run a Bitcoin or any altcoin, okay, it has to go through calculations before the receiver will get their money and the sender too will send their money. Okay, that's how crypto was made in general. Now this Honeygain takes your data bundle and then use it to perform these calculations and then pay you back. Do you understand? They pay you for using the data bundle. So with this one, you can see on my dashboard that I have been doing this for long. Okay, I've been doing this since 2017. Yeah, but I stopped at the point when I started doing tellers. But I just want to refer this to some people because there are people that need online jobs, any type of it. Okay, so this is the best one that I can get you, because with this one you don't need any qualification, you don't need exams, you don't need anything. Just download the application and then run it. You see these bees flying? Yes, it means that they are chopping your data and they're converting it to what? Money. This is the Honeygain coins for you. Do you understand? Good. Now if you can see here, they said download app. You can download this application on your phone, your Mac, your window. Okay, even iPhone self, they inside iPhone, you can download it. Do you understand? Good. So once you download this application, make sure you log in with your credentials, and that your credentials, make sure that you don't forget your credentials. Do you understand? Good. If you use someone's referral, they are going to gift you, okay, they're going to gift you $50. I think $5. Yes, if you register for the first time, you're going to get $5. That means if you use someone's referral code. So I'm going to be dropping my referral code here. This one, I'm going to be dropping it in the description section. Okay, now you're going to use that my referral code to apply for this job. Do you understand? To get $5 instant, and that $5 you can withdraw it with this one, jump tax. Okay, now let me explain this too. You see these two here. Okay, this one is when you want to receive your money in PayPal, and then this one is when you want to receive your money in this one, jump tax. Now what's jump tax? Jump tax, okay, it's like all this taxing platform that you have to perform a tax and then they'll pay you and stuff. It's a new platform. It's a very good platform. The most trusted platform, because they have partnered with this Honeygain, so they take the payments directly through jump tax. If you want to, do you understand? If you want to, because they're giving you 10% bonus. 10% bonus on your earning. Do you understand? You see my own here. This is my 10% bonus, and then this is the money I've in. Do you understand? So for me, I use jam tax just to get that 10% bonus. Now, see how I'm going to withdraw my money. I'm going to withdraw my money so for you to see, so that you know that this thing is not scam. Okay, I just want you to know. So now, this jam tax, you can perform a whole lot of tax in it. Yes, so as I said, you can perform a whole lot of tax in it. That they are simple tasks. Okay, these are not tasks that you are going to suffer, and within the day you can trust me, you can get like $10 to $15 a day. Okay, because this place is where the money is. Okay, the Honeygain is a third party though, but this is where the money is really coming from. So now let's try to withdraw money and let's see how the withdrawal goes. Okay, yes, so when I'm done, I'll show you my phone recording to add my phone recording to the screen, so that's not be like I'm doing something and you guys don't understand. Okay, now if you go to payouts, because I've already linked my Binance to it, okay, we have to withdraw in BNB. Okay, you have Celo too, but Celo, nah, if you withdraw to Celo, you can't convert the coin. Do you know why? Because that jump coin is an altcoin, and if an altcoin is not listed to Binance, you can't swap the coin. So you have to withdraw with BNB. BNB is Binance coins. Okay, so it means that you can convert the BNB to dollars and then use it. Okay, now this BNB, now you click on payout. So you see, after that, it said transfer is in progress. Okay, now I think they've done it and then they're looking for rating. So let's close the rating now, refresh the page. Okay, here see payment to wallet completed. Okay, meaning that they've sent the payment to our wallet. Okay, now I will be adding my phone screen recording to the video so that you see my phone screen. Okay, yes, so as I was saying, this is what Honeygain, and then Honeygain is linked with what jam tax. These two applications can earn you up to $20 in a month or more. They can even be more, because I see it to be like $50 in a month, or in a month safe na long process. In a week, okay, I know people that can get $50 in a week. Let my Nigerian friends see this, they earn $60, $70 safe in a week. You understand? Yes, so that's how it is. You have to be hardworking, you just have to be dedicated. That's it. Okay, so you notice that the money has left my account, meaning that it is in my wallet. So wait, I'll switch to my let me switch to my phone so that I will show you what's going on. She feel the road. She want the phone, but she know if you stop. You know, say post na post, she can get enough. But in your matter, post in my data. I dey feel it deep in my soul and my mind now. Calm down. So no go taka, make a fit to show you better life in abundance. Nah, them anyway don't go down. So make you no go joy, take it slow now. Take it slow now, make a fit to give you better life in abundance. In abundance. My baby in abundance. In abundance. My baby in abundance. In abundance. My baby in abundance. Be like you never get the matter. When I enter, like a player, she the villain. Casanova, I be nothing, say me I go feel her. Be like you never get the matter. When I enter.